Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay. Welcome to £1 Meals. Today we're going to be cooking my super easy egg noodles from my new book, Super Easy £1 Meals. Right, first thing we need to do is get a pot of water on the boil. And then we're going to go in with some salt. Now this is really, really important. Anytime you're cooking with pasta or noodles, this is the only way to get seasoning actually into the noodles. Once the water's up to the boil, then grab an egg and a spoon, and we're just going to gently lower that in, and we're going to cook it for exactly 7 minutes. So 7 minutes is going to give us like somewhere in between a soft-boiled egg and a hard-boiled egg. So the yolk's going to be soft but not runny, and it's just going to go perfect with these noodles. Right, the egg's been in for 3 minutes. Now we're going to start cooking the noodles. So these are just your standard noodles you get in a supermarket. In preparation for the egg coming out, we need to stop the cooking process, otherwise the yolk's going to be too hard. So here we've got some iced water. Now the egg's been in for pretty much 7 minutes, so time to come out, and then we're just going to plunge it in the water, and that's going to stop the yolk from overcooking. Pop this to one side. And now let's start concentrating on the noodles. So I'm going to grab this sort of see-through bowl so you can see what's going on. So we're going to take these out. Now to dress these noodles, my secret ingredient is a beef stock cube. Now if you're vegetarian, you can go in with a vegetable stock cube. And then we're just going to crumble this in, only about half a stock cube. And then a couple of spoonfuls of the cooking water, a little splash of sesame oil, and some soy sauce. Now we're going to stir this all together, and can you see how it's sort of made its own sauce and dressed itself? And now we're going to go in with some spinach. So we're just going to wilt this really quickly in the boiling water. It literally takes a matter of seconds. And then just throw it into the noodles. Right, next we're going to deal with this egg. So just keep sort of hitting it and it's going to crack the shell. And then we're going to peel it. Then grab yourself a knife, and just slice it down the middle. And then a bowl, in with the noodles. Top it with the egg, and then we're just going to garnish it with some sesame seeds. And here we have it, my £1 super easy noodles.